My name is David Colon. I'm from Delaware in the United States. I work in technology. I'm a solutions architect engineer. I'm excited to be here, and it's been an awesome procedure. Started probably 15 years ago, just started thinning little by little, just gradually coming over time. And then I noticed really in the front, my hairline receding and starting to come up, and then on my crown. Nothing dramatic, but it got so thin that just anytime my hair got wet, you can see right through it, and just became an insecurity. My barber actually came and got his procedure done 2.5 months ago, and his results were absolutely fantastic. And it really gave me the push and the confidence that I needed to trust the process and travel over here to get the procedure done. Not only do I like it, I think one of the biggest things for me was the input I had in it, right? It wasn't just do what I wanted and to make me happy. It was they were giving me their professional opinion, and they would draw out the line. And if I would give my input, they would either tell me why they think it might not be a good idea or why they think it'd be a great idea. So I was really surprised about how much I had to say in the process around what I'm gonna look like after, and it really just gave me a comfortable space to know that I was getting exactly what I wanted and being involved in it as well. You don't know what to expect when you walk into a procedure like this, and kind of the nerves can take over, but the effort put in to make me incredibly comfortable, the effort put in to just reassure me that I'm okay, and just the freedom to do the other things, like being able to watch the TV and put me in a very comfortable place. You would just think I was taking a nap or laying down. I didn't feel a thing. Don't waste your time. If you're nervous about it, find my contact and reach out to me personally. I will just tell you about the process. It took somebody else for me to feel confident in doing it, somebody that I personally knew. Don't let that be the case for you. Just do it, because the process was way more than what I expected. It was above and beyond what I thought it would be, and I'm just very fortunate and lucky to have done it. I'm excited to see the results.